Viewer commented that she wanted to know how to feel less invisible. I get it. I get it. And this is how you do it. I think the problem is you're around overbearing people. Yes, I can be one of them. My son has accused me of this in the past, and now I really watch it. We go to this coffee shop. We're regulars at this coffee shop. And I just chit-chat, chit-chat. And so he ends up saying nothing. And when he told me that, he said, you know, you don't give me a chance to talk. And when he said that, and that was like a year or so ago, I've been very conscious about not saying anything at first and allowing him to talk. Because I guess when you're with someone who's really chatty and constantly talking and just a big personality, you tend to kind of go into the wings a little bit. And I think that's what I was doing. And maybe it's because when he was little, he didn't talk and I would just talk for him. Well, he's an adult now and he can talk for himself, and I don't need to be chit-chatting away with these people. So if you have a friend like that, or people you're with, and they tend to dominate the conversation and they talk a lot, you know, speak up. Speak up. And people will notice you. Because if you don't talk and you don't express yourself and make your feelings known, you kind of retreat into the woodwork a little bit. And then you feel like you're invisible, and then other people almost feel like that too, because they're so busy dealing with the overbearing person that's next to you, that's surrounding you. Maybe it's your friend group. Maybe it's someone in your family like me. I've gotten better though. Since he mentioned that and he called me out on it a year ago, I don't do it anymore. I wait for him to talk. I take a step back. I don't feel like I always have to be talking. And I think because of it, because he mentioned that, I feel like I'm a better listener now too. But besides the point, it's not like you have to call your friend out, because some people may not take it the right way. They'll be like, well, what are you saying? You're saying I talk too much? No, you don't need to do that, but you can step up, start talking before they're able to dominate the conversation. And put yourself out there. Make your feelings known. Don't be afraid to express your feelings. And I know you don't want to hurt someone. You don't want to say something before you think, but there's a big difference. You can state your opinion without offending people. People are so afraid to be opinionated now. But you know what? That's what makes the conversation lively. Don't be afraid to express your opinion. If someone feels hurt, say, I'm sorry, that didn't come out the way I meant it to. But just, say what you mean, say what you think in a kind way, and step up to the plate. Don't let other people dominate the conversation. You can do it.